Hello, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Miss JD here once again for our daily stock market insights. And as always, I'm here to review the requests that you guys have posted on the comment section of my previous video. So we'll start with how the index performed and prioritize these requested stocks. So kung first time nyo sa channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka whenever I have new videos, and also do drop a comment, request na rin kayo para mas madami tayong makakover in our videos every day. Ngayon, umpisahan na natin si index. So I was talking about this yesterday, no? And I said we are anticipating profit taking, and then nangyari nga today in how the market performed. And I mentioned also that we could be bouncing somewhere near the MA20 line conservatively. By tomorrow, ang nakikita ko is probably another day of red. Kung hindi man siya red, chances are itatouch niya siguro yung MA20 line, and then bounce. That's one scenario. Second scenario, we end up another red tomorrow, somewhere in the MA20 yung landing niya. But for now, I am looking at our, MA20 in that area as our support, somewhere the 6490 level or 65, somewhere there. Area kasi yan. So ito yung resistance niya dati, at nung binrake natin yan, we know that this is going to be the next possible action. Binabalikan kasi yung previous resistance, ginagawa ng support. Normally, that's how it is pag sa mga stocks, and it's also the same in the index. So, ang kwento nito, majority of the blue chip companies were on a decline today. I'm not spared, by the way. So, syempre, ugali ni Miss JD pagdating sa trabaho, check check agad yung portfolio, and yun, yung mga blue chips natin, medyo on the sideline muna ngayon. But we're still okay. Kasi hindi naman tayo full-time trader. I'm not really very active in doing trades on a daily basis. So steady lang. Um, And besides, napaka-busy sa office sa araw na ito. Business review week, quarterly business review sa amin. So, very, very busy. Ngayon, umpisa natin kay AP. Si AP. Okay. Ay, lagot na. Nangyari. So, the day before that was a red. Okay, tapos may solid na breakdown in price. Hindi to maganda, guys, ha. Itong pag-breakdown niya tapos nag-trigger ng movement sa Bollinger Band. Kasi pag once ma-trigger either side, chances are may continuation sa direction na yan. Nung time na dito ka, di ba, nag-recover siya dyan, tapos nag-drop. Ang pag-drop niya, mas mababa ito kumpara dito. May red flag na yan. At nung nag-recover siya, pag-recover niya, nag-resist siya sa MA20, another red flag na yan. That could have already triggered nyo na medyo on the bearish side ang papunta ng ating avoidees. Kasi nagawa siya ng one lower low. At nung nag-bounce, nag-create ng lower high. So, chances are, itong nangyari ngayon is a continuation of the decline. Lower low ulit siya. Diba? So, sana ngayon ang posibleng mapupuntahan niya. Nearest support is possibly at the 32.94. Pwedeng yan ang sunod na pupuntahan. I think that level could be a strong support given that dito sa area na to, ilang beses tayo nag-resist dyan. So, strong resistance yan. So, kapag binalikan yan, posibleng i-respect yan. Support din to. So, chances are dyan, magsusupport tayo the 32.91. At this point, if those people na mga investors at profitable na or probably mga position traders, dapat nakapag-lock in na kayo ng gains. I would have to say, okay, kung saan dapat kayo nakapag, isip-isip na dapat at this point nakapag lock in ako ng gains. Kasi tingnan nyo to, triple top siya dyan eh. 1, 2, 3. Nung nag-triple top siya, paano nag-behave itong si RSI mo? Diba? Mas mababa siya. So, this area could have already triggered you or have given you that sign na medyo may weakness na nangyayari. At the same time, tama. Yan. So far, that's my only basis. Pero for those people na naman long term dyan, I think they have a different perspective towards what is happening at the moment. Ang pag-decline na ito could be a sign na they will, they're on the verge of adding some more. Naghahanap lang ng mga key level kung saan sila mag-a-add. Kasi ito yung opportunity na pinabagsak at na mas mababang presyo nilang pwedeng mapapasok yung stock. Q1 2023, strong start. 2022, maganda rin yung ending ng taon. May dividend ka din dyan. So, depende talaga sa profile mo. Yan mag-influence ang next possible movement mo sa stock na ito. Okay? Hindi ko na alam nung trigger, pero I think affected din siya. Affected din to sa movement ng index eh. Medyo wala rin to. Acquisition of indirect shares. Tingnan nga natin to. Basta acquisition ng pag-acquisition, chances are ano daw? Ibang view ito, ano? TC attached tech Mr. Corporation filed the compliance and implementation rules. Saan yung acquisition? Wala, hindi ko makita. Ito. Yan! Ito yung aabangan mo, guys. Pag AAA, meaning acquired, they acquired more shares. The moment you see officers, by, ano daw siya? Director siya. So, kapag ang mga officers nag-start na bumili, that means they find the level cheap, and that's why they're adding more now. Bakit sila mag-a-add? Kasi they have high confidence in their product, in the company that they're supporting. So, hindi lang to sa AP, but kahit sa ang stock, kapag nag-start na nagbilihan yung mga officers and officials, by signal na rin yan sa inyo. Second is, pag may buyback na nangyayari, signal nyo na rin yan. Okay, so those are our 12, 13, 14, ayan. Yan si AP. Next is si FGEN. FGEN, pula din siya, pero may foreign buying ka. I wonder bakit. I think I have the answer. That's because ito, yung area na to, support siya. Gumagawa siya ng support dito sa area ng MA20. Sa previously, resistance siya dyan, no? Support din siya dyan. So, chances are, posibleng gagawa siya ng support din dito sa MA20 line, 1962. And also, this is just starting to recover, pabalik. Ang mura niya, laki ng din drop din ito eh. So, I would have to say, those people who are seeing the strong fundamentals of FGEN, ito yung perfect time na pumasok uli. Ayan na, Q1 2023, good earnings. Last year, good earnings din. At may dividend din. June 2, tapos na. Okay. Quarterly ba? Nakikita nyo? Parang quarterly yata sila. 21. Ay, hindi. 1, 2. O, parang twice a year sila namimigay ng stock. No? So, this area, I would have to say for mid to long-term investors, carry pa to accumulate or kung nakapagdagdag ka na o nakapag-start ka dito sa summer 15-16, good area pa to add a few more kasi ang layo pa natin sa tuktok and may foreign buying ka. So that should give you enough confidence na, there's some buying appetite here coming from our strong foreign investors and big players. AC, si AC pula, not really. Pero we are still moving here within the support level. Okay, ito ang kanyang support area. Tatlong beses, try to observe this. Ito, sa dito. Okay, so first area. Okay, saan siya nakaland? Dito yan, ito siya ang partner niya. Ito naman, dito siya. Right? So, paakyat kahit papano, starting to build that momentum para sa ating AC stock. 6.02, I would have to say, support yan. Strong support yung area na yan. So, if you want to accumulate, this is still a good area to accumulate kasi, again, Ayala, and pinagbibigyan tayo ng merkado na makuha natin yung mga big companies at a cheaper level. Right? 615 ngayon, nasa nearest support would be 6.02. Laking chance na itatouch yan. May mga long weeks tayo, may mga araw na may long weeks eh. Kagaya nito. Diba? Umabot siya ng 600 within the day, tapos nag-recover. Ito din may pag-drop, tapos at least may wick within the day. Just being conservative here na in case may fluctuation, may volatility, 602, posible pa yan na ma-revisit bukas. MRC, okay? Hindi pa to safe kahit nag-green yan, ang liit-liit lang. We are still not out of the woods for MRC. At baka lang bumalik pa ito sa 0.21 area dahil ito may support siya. Support nating nakikita last month at the same level. Resistance din to, support din to, at na-touch din siya multiple days here. So, yes, posible pang nag-pause lang siya after a 3 days strong na pagbagsak. So, posible dito siya mag-test ulit ng kanyang support at the 0.2111. Okay, so, wag muna. I know you find this already very cheap, pero wag muna. Kasi baka balikan pa nga niya yan ang ating nakikita na support area. Let me know guys, ano bang kwento sa MRC? Kasi, ang alam ko parang something to do with PTNT eh. Baka, yung ina-associate kasi nila to kahit pa paano sa Starlink eh. But correct me if I'm wrong guys, I am not really able to follow the entire happenings sa MRC. Pero for the past few days, this is starting to gain some, ingay. MRC Allied Board approves 10 for 1 reverse stock split. So, anong nangyari? Approved amendments to its articles of incorporation to adjust the par value of its capital stock from 0.10 per share to 1 peso per share. As noted by MRC, this is effectively a 10 for 1 reverse stock. So, kapag may 10 kang stocks ngayon, ma-reduce siya. Tama ba? Ma-reduce siya kasi mag-a-adjust yung stock price nito potentially by magiging 1 peso per share. So, tingnan natin ang mga possible effect. Adjusting the par value of the company's capital stock doesn't do anything to the finances of the company. It just adjusts the number of shares that own the company's income and assets on a proportional basis. If you own 100,000 shares of MRC at 0.26, once approved, you would own 10,000 na lang, pero ang value niyan is at 2.60. Okay, so just read through this article. Baka may makuha pa kayong additional insights here or just drop in your comments kung anong mga from experience. Maraming ganito sa US stocks eh. Pero it's just the reverse. For example, yung mga Tesla, yung Amazon, na gano'n yan sila. Different naman, baliktad naman. Stock split naman yun. At MRC didn't give any insights into the board's thinking, but generally a reverse stock split is meant to improve the image of a stock by getting rid of that leading zero. Unlike American exchanges like Nasdaq, the PSE doesn't require its listed companies to maintain a certain minimum stock price that would necessitate a reverse stock split for compliance purposes. Ayan. So, yun lang siya for MRC. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging epekto niyan dito. Right? Ang sunod na stock ay si EMI. EMI. Naku, alam niyo yun? At a glance, makikita ko na paakyat siya na paakyat and as we go higher and higher, medyo ang movement nagpa-flat na siya ng ganon. At isang aabangan mo is dito at nag-peak tayo dito. Binalikan niya ang level na niyan the past a few days ago dito. Pero ano na, sana yung kanyang RSI. Ang RSI mas mababa kumpara noon. So, posibleng, at lalo pa, okay, so given that, na bumagsak na, right? So, that is just validating the theory na kapag nag-double tap ka at yung RSI mo is pabagsak, then chances are babagsak. And that happened. Now, gaya ng nasabi ko anong stock yun kanina, na naggawa siya ng lower low at lower high. Ito lower high na to eh. So medyo ingat tayo kasi lower high na to. Chances are pagbagsak niya gagawa yan ng lower low. Baka babalikan itong 20.51 area being the lower low niya. Right? So, careful lang. For those people profitable, maybe you can consider locking in some gains. At pag nagbagsak pa siya at nag-profit take pa yung mga investors, at least you can abang-abang lang sa mas murang level. At hindi ibig sabihin na pagbagsak niya, pasok ko na kagad kasi baka bumulusok pa lalo sa baba. So, kailangan ma-observe mo muna, tingnan mo kung gumagawa na siya ng support at nagsistabilize na sa isang area na potentially magiging support sa kakapapasok. Okay? So, guys, mind you, mas madaming days na nag-observe lang tayo dito ha, kumpara sa mga araw na may ginagawa tayo. That's just the design of the stock market. So, the more patient you are, the more profitable you can become. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras may buy sell no. Siguro kung ano ka, scalper ka, yan, medyo magiging basic ka. Pero hindi rin eh. Minsan nga sobrang konti lang talaga yung na day na gagawin mo. So, napaka-boring kung tutusin. Pero depende sa'yo if you like the stock market. Hindi mag-research ka. MEG. Okay, si MEG, alam mo yung MEG, ang daming projects nito. Even in Bacolod, even here, kasi sobrang na-enganyo na naman ako sa real estate. Ang dami kong naaral about real estate just to, to diversify. Ang dami nilang projects. Condos, right? Dito sa Magallanes. Yung corner ng Magallanes, EDSA. Kanila yan eh. So, ang dami nilang projects, condominiums, townships, Yun. So this stock, I think, is really um, at a very, very cheap level. Take advantage of it while it is, giving you a chance or giving us a chance at a very discounted price. Fundamentally speaking, now, ito lang ang basis ko. Siyempre, ito nakikita ko eh. Financials nila, Q1 2023, goods, annual 2022, good din. At may dividend pa siya. So, I would have to say this is still an accumulation phase for MEG. Take advantage. Sense lang to eh. Pero actually, the area where it is at right now, sobrang attractive yung level na kung saan si MEG ngayon. Real estate, nag-drop. We know nag-drop si real estate the previous months. Just that's because of the interest rates, yung mabilis na pag-akyat ng interest rate. But it will eventually find its equilibrium, yun saan yung tama na level, and it will go back to its normal level. So itong area na to ngayon is a bit of this period, yung 2022 and this year. This could be an outlier year, giving everybody a chance to enter at a cheaper level. Kung titignan mo dito, di ba? Flat ka dyan, pero yung RSI mo, tingnan mo, paakyat na siya, oh. Yan. So, tingnan na lang natin kung sino ang mabilis at nakapag-accumulate, and we'll see later on kung anong profitability nitong stock na to. LTG. LTG, binalikan na naman ang ating support, 9.34 ang pinakamalapit. At pero may foreign buying ka eh. Ewan ko ba, parang feeling ko itong stock na to, hindi pa siya umuusad ng todo. Because I have a feeling this is, people are still, lalo na yung mga big whales, ayaw pa nila tong paakyatin eh. Kasi hinihintay nila tong mag-announce ng kanilang dividend. Normally August yun eh. So, pa-approach na kasi tayo ng August. Last time August. Ito, August 30. So, pag nakapasok na lahat ng mga big whales, and this is the period that we're referring to, come August, may forecast. Okay? Unti-unti na itong aakyat. I know August is a bearish month normally, pero in terms of timing, siguro pag malapit na, kung ganito pa rin yung date, chances are, yan nga, as we go near or right after the announcement, dyan siya akit. Habulin yan. At kaya, huwag kayong ma-FOMO. Hanggat hindi pa gumagawa ng ingay at alam mo na very good level siya, cheap level siya, that should attract you. Huwag yung nag-iingay na sa socials at saka haba pasok. Kasi pag may maingay na, that means yung mga big whales na yan, nakapasok na yan. They're hyping it up para ma-FOMO ka. Okay? So, understand the objective, bakit ka papasok. At if you find this stock attractive dahil sa good fundamentals, I think nothing to question, just take action. Diba? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang earnings. Consistent din. Nakatatlo. Dalawa, pero yung first niya na release this year is dalawa pa. Ayan o. 143 plus 143. Tapos, yan. Ito. Okay? So, yun siya guys. I think that is it for this evening. Thank you very much for those people who dropped a comment. And sana nakakatulong. Hindi 200% accurate guys. This is just me, my outlook and my profile. And I'm just a nobody. So use this as an additional probably validation of what you already have studied, or just another perspective. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na lahat nito sinasabi ko kailangan nyo i-follow, because iba-iba tayo ng profile, iba-iba tayo ng gameplay. Okay, so but I do appreciate the time that you're sharing with me, listening to this, kasi tayo ay sabay-sabay na nag-aaral kahit papano. O, diba? So, maraming salamat and catch you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.